fun. From red to purple, what a sight. Colors make the world so bright. Colors, colors, everywhere. In the flowers, fruits, and teddy bear. Look around, count 1, 2, 3. Colors make the world happy and free.